it's so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said, just a one-time thing.
Alright, amiga, I am ready for the day. I finished getting ready and I wanted to show you my little outfit of the day. And this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this black dress from H&M. Not really recently, I got it during summer and it was only $14.99, which I really love because it's cute for like that price, you know. And then underneath that I'm wearing some biker shorts because I'm a thick girl, thick tights and chop wrap. If you don't know what chop wrap is, girl, that must be nice. And then I'm wearing it with like these slides. These are my pearly slides that I recently got when I went shopping with my friend Aida and my other friend Leandra. And I'm wearing a Louis bag because I'm a little bit lazy to change out my bag and everything is already in this one. So yeah, and then sunglasses from Primark and just my everyday kind of jewelry. So I'm not gonna bore you with that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get going. Let's go get my nails done because what in the name of ratchet is this? Like, we need to fix this. Let's go, amiga.
It's the world. That can be incredible. And that's worth a lot of money.
The sun is out again. It's pretty hot. I don't know what. I think it's 27 degrees today, which is pretty warm. So summer is back apparently. I was ready to store all my clothes back into our garage, but apparently summer is not done yet. It's September and we're still enjoying summer. So I'm not mad at it actually. I'm really not. Alright, amiga, I'm now in the city. I'm gonna go get something to drink and maybe like a little bite before I go to the nail studio. I have 50 minutes to get there, but it's not too bad, you know? It's enough time. So yeah, let's go get something to eat. I think I'm gonna do like, I don't know, a little croissant or something real quick, you know?
Hold on now, one last time. Feel it tight, feel it tight.
I know you were tired, going through the fire. 'Cause dreamers see the sky, way high, way high.
like a vibrant red. Alright amiga, I finished getting my nails done. I did red. They didn't have Lucky Red, so I went with Ferrari Red, but I'm really happy with it. Bye guys! Bye! See you next time! Doei! Alright. Nails are done. Now let's see what else we can get done today. I think I'm gonna find something to eat right now, because like I had just the fruit and now I want to eat something. I feel a little hungry, so I'm gonna find me something to eat. Amiga, I'm now at Subway. I got a few things at Primark. The whole reason that I went in there is because I need a dress, because my friend is gonna have her Moroccan wedding. I wanted to start like looking for outfits, but I didn't really find anything. But I found like a few accessories that always come in handy. I don't know why I can never walk out like with nothing in my hands, but I always manage to find something. I'm now having a little sandwich at Subway and I am gonna enjoy the little view. I also have myself a little drink and a cookie, a macadamia cookie. So yeah, bon appetit.
Put your hands on my back, boy. Lead me to the brightest of my days. Wrap your arms around me, boy.
Alright amiga, I am finally back home. I look rough because it was so hot outside. And for some reason I always feel like a little bit worn out after a long day in the sun. But I quickly wanted to show you the things I got. I got some grapes, you know, healthy snacking. Then I also got some makeup brushes from Primark. This is a blending brush, I think. And then this one is a brow defining brush. Thought that could be handy. And the other one is a blending eye brush. So 3 brushes and they were only like €1.50 a piece. I had brushes from Primark before and they were pretty good. I'm not saying they're all good, but I had similar ones to these and they were good, so I wanted to get those. Then I got a new headband because I've been obsessed with headbands lately. But this one is like the shiny one. I think I filmed it in the store. And I thought it would be cute to have around Christmas time. They make them extra expensive. So now it was only €6 and I thought it would be the perfect time to get it. Then I got like these earrings. They are like very, very cute, as you can see. Just love that for like every day. And then I got another pair of earrings. And definitely didn't need it, but I wanted to try it. And then I got this foundation. Like, don't even ask. I saw a girl rave about this foundation and I definitely wanted to try it for myself. So I'm not sure how that's gonna be, but maybe I might try it like later on in the vlog, and if I do, then I'm gonna let you know. But now I'm gonna take down my ponytail because it has been a little bit tight and I am feeling a headache coming up, so I'm gonna take this down now. It's been fun. Oh yes. Oh, that feels amazing. That feels amazing. Loose a little one. So much better. Anyways, now I'm just gonna edit and I'll check in with you later. Alright amiga, today is Tuesday. I finished getting ready. I'm now at the bus stop and I'm on my way to go see my goddaughter Nova. Like, I bought her a little outfit and I wanted to get it to her before she grows out of it, because you know, like those little ones, they grow so fast, and it's also a perfect opportunity to see her again. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's go and enjoy this day. It's pretty hot and there's a lot going on here. I got myself a chai tea latte because it's really warm and I got it iced. So now I'm gonna go and get the metro to go to Novi. I arrived. I'm hot and melting, but apparently Novi is at the daycare, so we're gonna go and pick her up. But I'm gonna give her a little present to her mom because Novi won't be able to react to it anyways. So I'm gonna film Kimmy now. Here you go.
Thank you. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hoe schattig.
Lief hè?
Oh my god.
Schattig hè?
Ja.
Oh.
Dat is echt cute.
Dat is lief hè?
Oh, dank je.
Alsjeblieft schat.
Oh my god, dat is echt cute.
Oh, ja.
Echt cute.
Alsjeblieft. We're back. Hey Novi. Hey Novi. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Are you gonna say hi to the vlog? Oh, so amiga, we're back from picking Novi up and I'm taking my makeup off because it is too hot to be wearing makeup. I don't know why I keep doing this all the time, because every time I do it and then I tell myself like, okay, you're not gonna do this again when it's hot, but then I do it again. So, and I always have to end up taking it off. So, yeah, not very smart of me. But we went to the store and I got some of the Diadermine micellar lotion and then my favorite makeup wipes from the same brand, and they are the best combination together. Yeah, Kimmy has a full face of makeup too, and she just seems unbothered. Like you don't even look like you're sweating or anything.
Yeah, it's hot, but I kind of like it.
Wow.
Yeah.
I wish I could be like that. I'm supposed to be. I'm from Curaçao. Oh, look at her nose looking dumb. Oh my goodness. You're so cute, Novi. I cannot with you. Alright. That's enough. Kanti gaat het even weggooien. Gaat Kanti jou eten geven? Goed? Kanti komt direct terug.
Kun je met plezier doen? Tuurlijk schat. Straks als dat afgaat, die andere moeten 9 minuten erin zien. Ja, tuurlijk. Waar is de volgende?
Gaan we eten? Gaan we eten? Mama gaat eventjes Kaden en Noella halen. Goed? You gonna eat, mama? You like it? She looks like she wants to dive into the bowl. Wacht even, hè mama? Zo. Ja. Tante gaat geven. Rustig maar. Ja. Gaat niet snel genoeg. Rustig maar. Ja. Even ogenblikje. Tante moet heel even iets doen, ja? Ogenblikje. Nee, ik kom direct terug. Ogenblikje. Nee, die komt al. Rustig maar. Daar is Meetie weer. Daar is Meetie weer. Kijk. Heb je lekker gegeten? Heb je lekker gegeten, Novi? Novi? Heb je lekker gegeten, mama? Is warm, hè? Oh my god, she's eating and pooping at the same time. You're eating and pooping, aren't you? You look at me like, why are you telling my business? Huh, I'm sorry for telling your business, Novi. I'm confused. Should I give you more or no? I don't even know where your diapers are. It's the first time that I come to your house here. You recently moved. I don't know where everything is. You have to wait till mommy comes back. Or maybe in the diaper bag. It's called diaper bag for a reason, right? More? Or are we done? Are we done? Yeah, is that okay by you? Yeah. Wie is dat? Wie is dat?
Hey.
Emma. Nova, kijk.
Jij maar als je me leuk nou, ik heb een Pasco.
Ay, yo.
Sí, más largo.
El hay un diente.
Acá.
Sí, above.
Hallo, may mama ka.
En maar bij kwe do otra na fiscal.
Het is gezegd, no, wij zijn leenters. We moeten sneller.
Hi kinderen. Alles goed?
Ik zie jou niet meer zo. Ik ben een raar.
Ben ik iemand anders?
Nee.
Ja, Ben is aan het werken. Alles goed met
Ik ben er niet mee. Nee, Roos, ik zet nu echt een camera.
Dat is echt een camera. Je wil er ook op? Oké. Smakelijkheden.
Hallo.
Hi.
Ik ben lekker aan het eten. En ze heeft mijn broer nog een mes gepakt. En
Dankjewel, schat. Yes.
we hebben, en ik hoop dat wij gaan winnen. En ik hoop dat zij gaan winnen.
Oh, met de wedstrijd.
Wanneer dat is pas zaterdag.
Lela?
Hi.
Hi, Kenny. I'm gonna say bye to Kenny. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. We dropped Kaden off and they're gonna pick him back up from basketball practice. And now I'm gonna take my bus to go home. It's been so nice seeing you, Novi. She was napping and she's like all confused. You are a mood girl.
We keep on walking through fire, but we always get what's required. So many things we desire, but I only bring you a lighter, so we can add fuel to the flames. Keep on playing.
What is up, amiga? Today is Wednesday. I am now having breakfast-ish with TB. TB is my friend and she's here from the Netherlands visiting me today. And we already ordered. We are at Panos on the Mer, and I'm quickly gonna show you what we ordered. There you go. I have a cappuccino and like a sandwich and also like a little pastry. Is it pastry?
Yeah.
I think a pastry with like strawberries. And TB has basically the same sandwich and a mint tea, a Moroccan mint tea. We're gonna enjoy our breakfast and then we will basically see what we're gonna do today. We're also gonna go to Shoe Cafe later on today, so that's gonna be very exciting. And yeah, that's it. I had like a little bit of a rush this morning because like I don't know, it was just a kind of a crazy morning. So we're gonna do more relaxed now. I'm just gonna calm down and just enjoy my food. So yeah,
See you guys later.
a little update. TB and I went to Primark. Definitely didn't need anything there, and I already went this week. But yeah,
I needed some stuff for my plate.
she did, but I bought shit that I didn't need again.
That's why we went.
Show you later. Yeah, and now we're gonna go and like try to take some pictures. So we'll keep you posted.
Bye, amiga.
Bye. Gaza with TV. There's so much pretty stuff. Like, look at all of that. This plant, I need to come buy it. Oh, it's 41 euros now? I need to take it out of the vlog. Amigas, don't come buy it. Leave it for me, okay? I need it. I really want it. It's beautiful.
To make everybody dance, 'cause we can. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind. In a summer state of mind. Oh, 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 oh,
All right, amiga, it's time for Shoe Cafe.
I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in.
All right, amiga, food is here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. By the way, I don't know if I already said that. I think I did, but we are at Shoe Cafe. We took our pictures and we ordered our delicious pancakes. So let me show you what it looks like because it looks yummy. Dutch pancake.
Dutch pancake.
Yes.
And I did American, of course.
Yes. Ooh,
So yummy.
so beautiful. Art. Thank you so much. How do you say that? Gold utensils. Oh my god. Look at all of this.
There is nothing to be broken in this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts bumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep.
I accidentally took the wrong ice cream and TV was like, that's mine. Right?
Yes. Here.
Shoe Cafe for life. We finished having our drinks and snack pancakes at Shoe Cafe. It was delicious. And now we're gonna find somewhere to have a cocktail.
Because I'm traveling back home.
Yes, so we wanna close this day with a little cocktail. What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. So that's the perfect time to close off with a little cocktail. So yeah, we're gonna try to find that now, and it's a beautiful, beautiful evening actually.
Yeah.
Right?
It's a little chilly.
Yeah, it's a little chilly, but I don't mind it actually.
Me neither.
Yeah, it's good. TB and I want to share with you what we bought today. So yeah, we're gonna do like a quick little haul.
Yeah, because she has the left.
Huh?
You have the left.
Yeah, you bought more than me.
Yeah.
Which should be the case because I live here. I have no business buying more than you. But yes, go ahead. What did you buy?
I have bought this candle
Yeah.
from
Show them. Be the beauty vlogger like this. Like, and it's a very nice candle. I have the same one.
from the Primark.
Yes.
And because I'm busy with my mom,
Yeah, she's decorating her new house.
I bought myself car pillows.
Yes.
Remember myself of my self-care
And self-love?
Self-love. I need to take care of myself first. That's why I bought it.
And I bought this other candle from Primark. And it's just white, but it smells really good. And I just love the little trinkets. And she has the same one. Cheers! Love.
And then to Casa, where I did bought this one for a special event coming up. So this is for the event.
And I bought a pair of leggings from Primark. I already have the matching top, so when I saw the matching leggings, I was like, okay, I have to. So hopefully it fits because the fitting rooms are closed due to COVID. So yeah.
So then, mind you, the bag from Primark broke.
Yeah.
So I went back to Primark and I bought myself a bag.
Yes.
And also, I couldn't left. Let's say, stay calm.
Hey, that's cute.
No, stay calm. But I also bought
A pair of leggings.
pair of
Not leggings.
It's a
Joggers.
It's a jogger.
Sweatpants.
Yeah, it's a nice color though.
Yeah.
It's a beige.
That's cute. And I bought an ice tray. And that's it for me.
Yeah.
Oh no, I bought earrings too.
Oh yeah,
Let me show you.
That's how we start.
First thing we bought today.
Yeah.
let me show you. And I bought this one. It's a gold chain. I have 2 pairs of earrings also that I bought today. This one was in sale and it really spoke to me. It's like this pearl, and I just love like the little, I don't know, I just love this. This is so me. Yes, and then this one is also very me. Like just hoops, but like different. And yeah, and that's it for our little haul. Yeah. Yes. You can start your own channel, girl. You're so good at it. Anyways, it's time to say bye to Stevie.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, you wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the this mark. But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed.
Hey amiga, what is up? Today is Thursday. It is pretty late in the day already. It is 5:20 at the moment, and I'm about to go to the supermarket to pick myself up some flowers. They also will come later to deliver groceries, so I'm not gonna buy anything at the supermarket, just flowers, because I want to shoot a few pictures for my Instagram, because my Instagram game has been lacking a little bit ever since I was blocked and they unblocked me. I haven't really been like active there, so I do want to like make a few pictures, and I think like a bouquet of flowers will be a nice prop to have for my pictures. I also did my makeup and I used the Primark foundation again, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. But I'm gonna go now and go get myself the flowers to be back in time so that I definitely don't miss out on the grocery guy. So yeah, let's go. Let's get going.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh?
What a beautiful day. And it's not too hot, so I'm happy about that. This is how I like the weather. When it's not too hot, it's just perfect. My makeup isn't melting off. Alright, amiga, a quick little behind the scenes of my little photo shoot. I'm gonna show it to you now. I brought my body mirror from the room into the living room. And I also put like some pampas grass and like a few plants, my little jewelry basket, my flowers that I just bought, my necklace from Cocoliche Curacao. And in the background you will be seeing like this. So I just like borrowed a plant from somewhere else and put it there. And then my little pillows so that it looks like a little bohemian. So yeah, now it's time for me to shoot. So let's get that done. I was about to go take my pictures. The Albert Heijn guy and girl came. So groceries are here. This is everything in here. But I will unpack everything when I'm done taking my pictures. So let's quickly do that because there are things that need to go in the freezer. So let's take care of the pictures now.
Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now. We know how this will go.
Alright, amiga, I am currently in my room. I'm gonna take my makeup off in a little bit. But yeah, today was not like a great day. I thought like putting on some makeup and getting ready would make me feel a lot better, but it didn't really. At least I did get like a picture and I posted it on Instagram, so I'm back on the gram after being blocked and everything. So make sure to follow me there. My handle is at Jennyfer Ross. And by the way, that whole foundation situation, it worked very well. Like, this is my foundation at the end of the day. I'm not mad at it actually. The whole reason I bought this is because I saw a trend where people do like a full face of Primark makeup, and maybe I want to do that on my channel as well, like make a video in which I use like all Primark products. So yeah, let me know if that's something you would like to see. But for now, I'm actually kind of like very happy with this foundation. I didn't expect it at all, and I really think that it's kind of similar to the Double Wear foundation, so from Estee Lauder, you know, and that one is like 48 euros. I don't have it right now because I'm currently a little bit on a budget. I'm trying to like spend less money at the moment, but yeah, I think like this is a very good dupe for that, and it's only $6. So yeah, I'm gonna take my makeup off, chill with Benny, watch some YouTube videos, and just try to relax a little bit. And tomorrow is just gonna be another day. So yeah, good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Amiga, today is Friday. I twisted my hair last night and I already showered this morning, but I'm wearing my PJs again. However, I just finished making lunch and I'm having a smoothie bowl, and I'm currently watching like some YouTube videos, but I'm working today from home because Corona. So I'm working from home, and after I finish working, Benny and I are gonna go on a mini date. We're gonna go and have like just some Starbucks, maybe buy some Thai food, and just come back home and eat it at home. So today is pretty much a very chill day. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly let you know what is up for today and what the planning is for today. It's currently almost 2 o'clock, so I have quite a chunk of work done already for the day, and I work until 4:30, so that's not too much.
From my neck, on my gold chain. Misunderstood, I'm no victim, no Robin Hood. Hang them teeth around my neck.
it was raining outside, so my hair exploded. I didn't really take my vlog camera with me because it was raining like crazy, but we're back home and we bought Thai food, so we're gonna maybe watch a movie and also like eat our dinner. Yes, I'm gonna change into something comfortable. Let's do that. Are you gonna change or no? All right, dinner time. We got we got fried rice, and Benny has thick noodles. What are you eating? Show. Thick noodles. Bon appetit! Oh my god, my hair though. My hair. I look crazy. Anyways, bon appetit! Alright, amiga. I am now in my office and I quickly wanted to talk about a little package that I received before I close the vlog, because I think the vlog is becoming very long. So I think it's time to close off the vlog. Dinner was amazing. We watched The Accountant while we were eating our food and it was bomb. It was so nice to just have that again, because the last time I had that was in January or something. But I have a cute little package that I want to share with you. It is the merch from Miss Petite. I already opened it because my address is on the envelope and I didn't want to expose that. But this is what it looks like, the little envelope, and it's really cute. It's like Miss Petite in different, like her different looks that she likes to go for. So I thought that was very unique. And it says content creator, traveler, and Beauty Corso supporter, which she really stands for. And then there is a little note that says, "Hi Jen, thank you so much for supporting my first merch. Keep spreading the love to other Beauty Corso creators. Hashtag petite Ram gang. I'm not sure. What does that say? Ram gang? I'm not sure. Petite, what does it say, Christina? I don't know. But anyways, these are the little stickers. So cute. And I think I'm gonna stick one on my laptop and the other one maybe on my water bottle, because I saw her do that on her Instagram and I thought it was very cute. So let me go get my water bottle. Hold on, I'm back. This is my water bottle. Very cute. So there you go. I pimped my water bottle with this. Cute! So yeah, that's that. And the other one, I'm gonna stick that on my laptop. So I'll put like a little footage here so you can see that. It's gonna be my work laptop, because right now I have a sticker on it that says, hey, that says I'm the queen of coffee breaks. But I had that for a while, so it might need to be another one. But anyways, Christina, I'm super proud of you for your merch. Keep up the good work, and thank you so much for sending it to me. I love it. So yes, that's that. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!